welcome back. My name is Sharon Manatsa. We are here sponsored by Shanyai Events in partnership with Bima Entertainment. I've got here with me Nyasha Mutonhori, all the way from Zimbabwe. Hello, Nyasha.
Hi, Sharon. How are you?
We've got a bit of history, you know. The first time I started trying to sing, this wonderful young lady, then she wasn't married actually. So this one is definitely off the market, you know, but we're blessed and privileged to have you here. Welcome.
Thank you.
How are you doing?
I'm good, thanks. How are you?
You know, it's been long-lived, this opportunity and time that you have come to join us.
Yeah.
You know, she started with, I believe, working with Magdi. Now she's working alongside with her husband. I will give her time as well to explain Kutragazo Fambase and everything like that. But how are you? We've got a famous event that's never happened in the UK, the Worship Night. Yeah. Tomorrow is taking place at Dunstable Conference Centre. We want you to be there. www.shanyai.events is where you're getting your tickets from. And we're here just to see, Nyasha, what are you giving us tomorrow? We are looking forward to you. She's a powerful vocalist, and we want her to just tell you a bit about where her journey started from. Tell us.
It started way back when I was 16, but I'm here now because of God's grace. Yeah. So tomorrow, I think God is going to do something in this land.
Amen.
And I'm sure lives are going to be changed, and I'm so expectant.
And I've seen also you've been going around with tech shows, with the worship revival. Yeah. How has that been for you? How has that been an experience?
It's actually transforming my personal life.
Wow.
And of course, people around me. It's a good experience, and I thank Minister Tikshore Sama for paving a way for me.
Wow.
Yeah,
wow.
I think.
And it's not easy being a female artist in Zimbabwe, isn't it? Generally, I find being a female artist is not easy. Finding your own stamp and putting your stamp to say, I am here, I sing, I worship. How has that journey been so far?
Shibaba. There's nothing that she can do.
Chokwa, yes.
Yeah. Priest, and I come next.
I know. She's done really well, and there's a song that I love that you sing, and I guess that's part of the list, right?
Okay, oh well. Okay.
Just to share with someone who's watching there, who's probably thinking, okay, what is this message behind Doyenda? What were you communicating to God and to the people out there?
If you have an assignment, do it. If you don't do it, also realize that 170 years I could have done this. So try before it's too late.
Wow. Everyone has got a position to
play.
Yes,
everyone. Yeah.
Wow. That's a powerful message. What can you say for someone that you're expecting to be there tomorrow? We don't know. It's the first time we've been here as a worship night. What is it that you want to share with that one person who's probably doubting? At the end, what do you want to say to them?
You never know. Maybe the answer that you have been looking for 5 years, tomorrow no going to go. Please just come through and worship the Lord with us.
Amen. Like I said, we're privileged to have with us Prophetess Matimbire in the house. She will come and share also with us. We're privileged to have you.
Thank you.
And we're looking forward to having you tomorrow.
See you tomorrow.
See you soon.
If we celebrate the heritage, our spirits forever thrive. The waters roar, loud and proud, the wildlife roams, free